In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a header in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can clean up the top of your email and remove any logo or header area you don't want to appear. This is especially helpful if you're using a very simple design, or if you prefer your email to start directly with text or an image rather than a big logo block. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a main navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Campaigns and click on it. This will open a list of all the campaigns associated with your account. From this list, find the specific campaign where you want to remove the header. Take a moment to double check the campaign name so you're editing the correct one, especially if you have similar versions or drafts. On the right side of that campaign's row, you'll see an option to edit. Click the edit button. Once you do that, you'll be taken to an overview of your campaign. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of the email itself. This is where you can see how your subscribers will view your message. Look for the option called Edit Design and click it. This will bring you into Mailchimp's email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your email layout with different content blocks. At the very top of the email, locate the header area. This is often a logo, a title, or a branded image sitting above the rest of your content. Move your cursor over that header and click on it. When you select it, a set of small icons will appear, usually on the right side of that header block. One of these icons will look like a trash can. This is the delete or remove option. Click the trash icon. As soon as you do, Mailchimp will remove that header block from your email layout. Take a moment to scroll through the top of your email to confirm that the header is really gone and that the design still looks the way you want. When you're happy with the change, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Exit. This will save your updated design and return you to the campaign overview. Your email now no longer includes that header.